Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from the PBL TRPL 230 will present a report on the result of our project work entitled Development Website Darussalam Batam. First, member role and contribution. Hafiz, as project leader and back-end front-end developers. Jeremy Stephen Robert Menangin, as UI UX designer and back-end. Hadi, tester and UI UX designer. Navita, as business analyst and front-end. Latifa, as tester. General description: the official website application of Darussalam Foundation Batam is a web-based information system developed in an integrated manner to become the main information center that accommodates the needs of all stakeholders of the foundation. Functional requirement: F001 system must provide account registration and login features so that admin, visitor, and prospective student can access application features. F002, the system shall allow the admin to publish, edit, and delete information. F003, the system shall allow the admin to manage the current and profile information of the foundation. F004, the system must be able to display to visitor and prospective students information about the foundation. F005, the system can present visitor and prospective student with the latest information and updates related to the foundation. F007, F006, systems will allow visitor, especially student, as well as admins to provide, edit, and delete comments. F007, the system will allow the admin to manage such as opening or closing the admission schedule. F008, the system will allow prospective students to fill information related to their enrollment. F009, the system must allow prospective students to register online. F010, the system must provide a registration form that allows prospective students to fill and upload the required files. F011, the system shall allow prospective students to make automatically verified payment. F012, the system shall allow prospective students to view the current enrollment status. F013, the system must be able to provide admin panel. The next slide will be present by Nafika Damayanti Syarif.
Next, non-functional requirement. For meta security, the system must implement data encryption, strong authentic and authorized, protect against attack, and other security system to protect personal data and registration documents. Usability, the interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for user to access information, register, and navigate without the need for any special guides. Compatibility, the website must to be able to run optimal on different types of browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and device desktop, tablets, and smartphone. And last, language, using two language, namely Indonesian and English, clear and easy. Okay, next, use case diagram. The following is the use case of the official website development application for the Darussalam Batam Foundation. There are three actors. The first is the admin. The admin can log in, manage article, manage appearance and provide information of the foundation, view foundation provide information, view articles, comment on articles, manage PPDB information and schedule, view PPDB information, view PPDB registration status, manage PPDB data, manage user data, transaction, administration, and other information. And last, logout. Second, student. Student can log in, view foundation, provide information, view articles, provide comment and articles, view PPDB information, register PPDB, fill out PPDB form, make PPDB payments, view PPDB registration status, and logout. And last, visitor. Visitor can view foundation, provide information, view articles, provide comment and articles. Next will be explained by Jeremy Stephen Robert Menangin.
Okay, here I will explain about ER diagram. We have 15 entities that relate to each other. And now I will explain about table structure. We have user table, primary key ID, foreign key, additional unit ID. Key table is ID, name, email, phone number, additional unit ID, email verified add, password, remember token, build add, create add, update add. Next, admin table. We have primary key ID, foreign key, educational unit ID, and keys table is ID, name, email, educational unit ID, and password. And we have articles table, primary key, ID, foreign key, user ID, and category ID. Key table is ID, judul, user ID, category ID, slug, thumbnail, EC, delete add, create add, update add. Next, komentar table has primary key ID, foreign key, article ID, and user ID. Key table is ID, user ID, article ID, isi, delete add, create add, update add. And next will be explained with my friends Tadi.
Okay, now I will explain about table structure. This table stores data related to balasan. The primary key is ID and the foreign key is ID user and parent ID. The next table is categories. The primary key is ID and this table doesn't have a foreign key. And the next table is media social. The primary key is ID and this table doesn't have a foreign key. The next table is gallery. The primary key is ID and this table doesn't have a foreign key. The next table is educational unit. The primary key is ID and the foreign key, and this table doesn't have a foreign key. The next table is registration. This table primary key is ID and this table doesn't have a foreign key. The next table is transaction. The primary key is ID and the foreign key is user ID and registration ID. The next table is admission. The primary key is ID and the foreign key is educational unit ID. The next table is companies. The primary key is ID and this table doesn't have a foreign key. The next table is home content. The primary key is ID. This table doesn't have a foreign key. The next table is navbar content. The primary key is ID and the foreign key is unit pendidikan. The next table is videos. The primary key is ID and the foreign key is educational unit ID. And the last table is calendar. The primary key is ID and this table doesn't have a foreign key. And the next table will be expanded by our leader Hafiz.
So the last is documentation. This is our documentation with the main pro, client, and our team. That's all from our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.